What is paid digital marketing and how it is important for business? Paid digital marketing is basically when an advertiser pays a publisher like a search engine or a website to promote their business, brand, product, or a service. With the help of paid advertisement, we can easily promote our businesses or services by using different digital channels. We can track its engagement by the number of likes, comments, and shares we get on that advertisement. Through digital marketing, you can create your own presence online, can convert your potential customers into buyers. The answer is by engaging with the customers and interacting with them, knowing what their likes and dislikes are. Creating a customer and a consumer relationship by mediums like social media websites. Example, if we want to promote a cosmetic product with audience segmentation, we'll be able to target our desired audience, which are specifically women. Here are some types of advertising. Paid digital marketing payment models includes cost per click, impression based. With accordance to ads performance, you can judge how it's going to manage your budget as well.